Hello guys. Welcome to my new tutorial video. If you are studying engineering and don't have a very good sense of programming, congratulations, you are in the right place. In this series I'm going to discuss about all the basic programs in C. Those are very frequently you have to solve. First things first, here I'm not going to discuss about the basic syntaxes of C. Hope you guys have a little bit knowledge about C language and the work of basic functions. Let's get on to it. Smiley face. For a C compiler I prefer to use Dev C++ because I'm comfortable with it. Link for downloading Dev C++ is given in the description. First open the Dev. Then go to File, New, Source page. It will open a new writing place where we're going to write the code. Today we are going to discuss about how to write the code that prints Fibonacci series up to a number provided by the user. To write the code, first we need to know what is a Fibonacci series is. A Fibonacci series is a series of numbers in which each number is the sum of the two preceding numbers. For an example, 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8 is a Fibonacci series. In this series the first two elements are 0 and 1. If we add 0 and 1 we get 1. And this 1 becomes the third element. Again if we add 1 and 1 we get 2. And this 2 becomes the fourth element. Similarly we get 5, 8, and so on. Let's get on with the code. First we write the header files as always. Then the main function. Here n1 equals 0, n2 equals 1, and n3 equals 0. We also taken an integer I for the incrementer and integer n as the number of elements need to be printed of the series. We take the value of n from the user by using scanf function. Then we start a loop. Here I am using a for loop where I is starting from 0 to the value of n, incremented by 1. Hope up to this is clear to you. Inside the loop, first we print the n1, because the element in Fibonacci series starts from 0. So the first thing that will be printed is 0. Then we add n1 and n2, and storing the result in n3. In the next line we update the value of n1 with n2 and n2 with n3. To understand why this is done, you can imagine that when the loop ran for the first time, n1 is the first element, n2 is the second, and n3 is the third. From the example, 0 is n1, 1 is n2. For the first loop cycle, n1 is 0, and it gets printed. The value of n3 becomes n1 plus n2 equals 1. Then the value of n1 is updated from 0 to 1 and value of n2 is updated from 1 to 1. In the second loop cycle, n1 gets printed again and all the process is repeated. After that, we write a return function at the end of the code as the main function is an integer type. Now to compile and run the program, press F11 on the keyboard. Save the file in your appropriate location, and a black window like this will pop up. Now enter the value of n and hit enter. Fibonacci series of n elements will be printed in the next line. Hope you have understood this program, and the next time you can write the code on your own when you are asked to do it. If this video is helpful to you, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for more videos. Thank you.